Hey guys, it's Stephanie. Today I want to talk about something that's really exciting that's been happening in my Amazon business. If you don't know, if you haven't been following me before, I started an Amazon FBA business about a year, I guess it's about a year and a half ago, and very part-time. And I've had this big shift happen in the past, I'd say about 60 days, 60 to 90 days, all thanks to this YouTube channel that I have been following, and his name is BEAU CRABILL. As a disclaimer, I do not have any affiliation with him. I haven't purchased his course. He doesn't know who I am. I've literally just been watching some of his videos because he's completely crushing it on Amazon. So there were two things that BEAU had said in his videos that inspired me to make a few shifts in my Amazon business, and to the tune of doing now over $4,600 in the past 30 days. Now I know this is not like gangbusters for some of you that are looking to do like 100 grand a month, but for me as a part-time business, growing, now I know the system and how to grow it, it's really, really exciting news because we are in August right now. And August is one of the slowest months of the year. I just can't wait to see what's going to happen in November and December in my business. And it's just truly amazing if you put energy into and focus into your business, what happens. So thank you, BEAU. If you're ever stumbled across this video, I want to really, truly thank you for inspiring me, inspiring other people as well. And for those haters that are hating on you, you know, shame on them because you truly are giving out some great information and a lot of good free information. So anyway, I'm going to get into my Amazon account and I want to talk about the two shifts that completely changed my business around on Amazon. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm in my back office. I wanted to talk about the two shifts that helped me in achieving these results in the past 30 days. Now these are not technical shifts. I've already figured out how to do the Amazon FBA business, my business model, and it's more of these mind shifts that like kicked my butt and put me in gear. So as you can see here, today I've already done $127, 8 units, and it's only 1:30 in the afternoon. For the past 30 days, I've sold 373 units, over $4,600 in sales, and I am really, really excited because this has happened just about 3 months ago. I probably was doing a fourth of that, maybe $1,000 a month, $1,200 a month, part-time income, guys. So let's talk about the first shift that BEAU talked about. I remember listening to one of his videos and he spoke about his mentor. And now BEAU, I'm going to leave the link below to his YouTube video, but you know, BEAU is just crushing it. He's doing millions and millions on Amazon and he has a course. He's just inspired so many people. Definitely inspired me, but he said this one thing that just kicked me in the butt, and it was what his mentor said. His mentor had talked about telling him to think bigger. He said, "BEAU, you gotta think bigger." And I thought to myself, you know, at the time, I'm thinking, yeah, if I want to crush it on Amazon, I gotta have more products. I need to be sourcing more products. I need to be putting more products to FBA. You know, $1,000 isn't going to just magically morph into, you know, a 6-figure income. I've got to get more products out there. So that was the first shift that, you know, sometimes we're just blinded. I've got several businesses going on and I wasn't super hyper focused on this one. I was just kind of, you know, doing it very part-time and sending in some products and adding some products here and there. But when I started going gangbusters, that's when the shift happened. I just started like going crazy focused on finding product. The second shift was to sell what people are already consuming on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Disposable products like deodorants and shampoos and razors and body lotions and anything that people are already using as a branded product. It doesn't even have to be like in the HBA, which is the health and beauty. It can be products for your car, or products that for let's say it's school supplies, anything that people are already looking for, and there's already a sales history. You don't have to go find a market for your product. So I'm thinking, gosh, this is so true. Why have I not put more of these type of products up on Amazon? So what I've been doing is seriously like sourcing products like a mad woman. And yeah, I've discovered some amazing places, almost all online. I do have a couple of local places that I visit. And it's just amazing what has happened since I've changed those two shifts in my mind. So for those of you that are just getting started on Amazon, I hope this is inspiring to you, because sometimes it's just we just get stuck. Our mind just gets stuck, and we can't see the forest through the trees. You know, we can't see the big picture, and we don't take enough action. So I just was really, really excited to share this with you, and I just want to give the kudos to BEAU. Again, I don't, he doesn't know who I am. He doesn't know that I exist, but I wanted to thank him, and I wanted to, share this with you. So sell products that are already on Amazon. I do have my own branded products, and I do sell them, but I'm adding to my arsenal every day. I'm shipping hundreds of products a week to Amazon FBA. And it's August, guys. I mean, I've already done, $4,600 in the past 30 days, and it's going into September. It's crazy because I am going to be crushing it in December. I'll do another video. Let's see how much I actually do crush it. But every week I'm sending more and more products to Amazon, and the more and more and more my sales are going up week by week. So you can do it too. I am nothing special. I'm just very tenacious when it comes to business. Anyway, I hope that you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if this inspired you, if you're having trouble with your Amazon business. I'm here to answer questions. I love you guys. I thank you for listening to the end, and make sure you do subscribe to my channel, and I would love it if you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Anyway, I will see you in the next video, and until then, go get them, guys.